today I am going to show you a tip for your direct sales business. If you are currently using Google Forms, I am going to show you how to combine your Google Forms into one Google Sheet, which has been very, very helpful to me. So today I'm going to show you real quick how to create a Google form. This is a very basic tutorial. There are more tutorials out there. Let's pretend we were collecting some special club information, like a monthly buying club. And in here, you would just type in what you would want. Thanks for coming. And you would type in some questions. Now you can change here your questions. Here we go. We can change it to the name, full name, and if we want to add in here, we can add another question and we can say address. Okay, so when you're in here, you can also take this, you can add a theme, you can change your color, you can choose an image for your header, you can upload an image, you can change one that you can choose one that they already have. Very simple, and you can go ahead and do that. And then when you're ready to send it, you would press send, and then you can copy your link here, and this is your new link for your club. So we'll just go ahead and paste that into here. Oops, might help if I copied it first. And we're gonna go ahead and paste it in here. And once you have your link in here, you can see what it would look like for anybody. And we'll submit a sample answer. And that way we can see how it works. Now, on your form, it normally puts all of your responses into here, which is great, but that means if you have a lot, you have to kind of scroll through them, or you can choose to come and look at them on a spreadsheet. Now, this is where it gets kind of cool. You can create a new spreadsheet, or you can select an existing spreadsheet. For today's purpose, I'm going to create a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to open that spreadsheet. In here, we can see that it has auto-filled with this information. Now, I am going to make this spreadsheet, I'm going to rename it, and I am going to come back to my forms. I'm going to come to my forms home, and I want to link another spreadsheet that I have. Now, this is a different spreadsheet. This is one I've had going for a while. Okay, I already have a few responses on it. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click select existing spreadsheet. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and click the one that I want. And I have now linked this to my spreadsheet. The reason why this is so helpful, look, see, here's form response 1, here's form response 2. The reason why this is so absolutely helpful is because if you are doing a lot of mailings individually on your own, you can have all of your information in one place. I like to add in here a section for mailed with a question mark, and then I would, type in yes or no. So that you can see if you have done it. You may also change down here, you can change the name of this and rename it so that this is for your VIP customers. You can change and rename. This is for your team members. And it's very, very simple. All you have to do, if you want to add some information to a current sheet, is come in here and you're going to click on your form, and you can come up to responses, click on this create spreadsheet, and click select existing spreadsheet and click select. Once you are in here, again, just choose that spreadsheet that you want, and look, all of our responses are now back in this spreadsheet. So this is especially helpful if, say, you have a friend who's helping you, or you're at a point in your business where you have an assistant, or even if you are your own assistant, it puts everything in the right place. One of the best things that I love to do is go ahead and select these responses and wrap the text. If you wrap the text, you can view the entire address at one time, which is so wonderful. I also like to play around, make it centered. I like to vertically align it centered, but that is just me. That is all for aesthetics. So I hope that this was helpful for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.